Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door, Abhilash. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD US dollar Canadian dollar for 30th March 2021. So, this video analysis is for 30th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 31st March again. So, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And as I've already mentioned in my other videos, that instead of just providing just buy and sell signals, I try to analyze the chart because I want to educate you. I want you to learn, okay? Because I do not want you to just trade blindly, okay? I want you to learn. I want you to become a better trader, okay? That's why I try to analyze the chart and make you understand where you should buy, why you should buy, where you should sell, why you should sell. Because the logic, okay, the logic is important. Understanding the market psychology is important. That's why my videos are boring and quite long in comparison to other videos of other channels. So please do not mind. Okay, let's jump to the chart. So this is the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD CAD. Okay. So 1.2595. This is the current market price. This is the current market price, and as you can see, market was in consolidation. Then market fell big time. With the same speed, market went up, and right now market is in a range right now here. So what should be our strategy? Yeah. To be very honest, okay, in a chart like this, I will refrain. Okay, I'll not trade. Okay, in fact, I'll also suggest you to stay away from US dollar, Canadian dollar for at least 1 or 2 days. Because see, let me explain one thing. Market was in range. Okay, there was no such trend present in the market. Okay, so then I told you that either market will go up or market will go down. In case market goes down, catch it. Okay, hopefully you shorted the market and you made good profit. Okay, market came till this point, and with the same speed market went up also, and right now market is in range. And if you buy here, okay, and why you should avoid a chart like this, let me try to explain. If you buy here, where will the stop loss? Okay, your stop loss, you stop, there is no proper position to place the stop loss. Okay, because see, this is not the support that we will be placing a stop loss here. This is not the support. In fact, 50 moving average is also not acting as support of the market, so that we can place the stop loss below the 50 MA. Therefore, there is no proper place to place the stop loss. On the other hand, if you buy here, okay, if you buy here, then there is a resistance from here. Okay, this is a resistance zone for the market. This is kind of no trading zone. Until and unless market goes up and reverses from here, we should not trade. Okay. Therefore, buying here is not an option. Okay, this will be against the discipline. And as I always say, we should not compromise with the discipline. Okay, discipline is the main thing that keeps us apart from gambling. Okay. Therefore, buying is not an option. If you short the market here also, okay, if in case you go ahead and you short the market here, what will be the logic to short the market here? There is no logic, because just look at this uptrend. Okay, just look at the strength of this uptrend. Okay, which means that buyers are there in the market. Okay. Therefore, shorting the market will be going against the trend, the current trend. So this is also not an option. Therefore, avoid US dollar, Canadian dollar for at least 1 or 2 days, because see, this is your hard-earned money. You should not risk your hard-earned money in a chart like this. Why you should risk your capital? There are plenty of currency pairs available with plenty of trading opportunities. Therefore, that's why I will tell you to avoid US dollar, Canadian dollar for 1 or 2 days. Okay, this is my analysis, my opinion. Your opinion and analysis may vary. So if you think differently, then please write down in the comment section so that I get to learn from you as well. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood the logic why I'm telling you to avoid US dollar, Canadian dollar. So hopefully you have understood, and this is it. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again with the analysis. All the best. Good luck. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Bye bye.